book. This is chapter number 11. This is chapter 11 and page 276. So when you look at this, again, anyone else who would like to explain the process of rolling? What is rolling? Rolling means the first one. Rolling means
and same frequency of distance, you know.
आपने पढ़ के नहीं आए. That's the point.
When an object is moving around on its circumference, the circular object is moving on its circumference.
Okay. Yes, beta. What's your name? Rana Shabakar. Okay. So, anyone else who would like to try? I expect you to be preparing for your. Okay. Let's discuss the movement of a wheel. Okay. How does a wheel move? How does a wheel move?
It rolls.
Huh?
Rolls.
It rolls. Rolls means what? Okay, there's a term that's known as rotation. There's a term that's known as translation. And rotation plus translation is equal to rolling. Is that clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
So, when you're riding a bicycle, for example, you see translation means you cover a certain linear distance on the ground. This is translation. Plus, you also know that the wheels are also rotating about its axle, right? Which is the axis of rotation. So, there's a circular motion going on as well. So, when we talk only of the circular motion, it's called rotation. When we consider the translation that your bike is covering some distance on the road, that's translation. And therefore, in that case, we say that the rolling of the wheel is equal to both rotation plus translation, and therefore you are covering a certain distance on the ground. Is that clear? Now we know that, okay, you can call the axis of rotation, let's say O. Okay, and you can say that it will, and O is normally the center of mass of the object, COM that we call, right? So if this is the center of mass, then the center of mass, as we've also studied in the previous chapters, every body has a certain center of mass, right? So therefore, the velocity with which it's rotating is called the angular velocity, which is omega. Right? But if we consider the linear velocity at any point, we will call it v. So we have two kinds of velocities. We have v and we have omega. Omega is angular velocity, v is linear velocity. Okay? So now this v, when the wheel is just rotating, let's say it will be like this on the top. So this we can call this. And at the bottom you will see that it will be in the opposite direction. So V will be equal to minus V COM, the center of mass, right? Now when there is translation means your bike is going forwards. This means all the velocities at all points, the top, the center and the bottom, should all move in the same direction with the linear speed V. Okay? Now this speed has to be the same. So it's Vcom here, it's Vcom here, and it's Vcom here. Let us say this is the point P. P is the point on your wheel that is touching the ground. Okay? Right? Okay. So when it's moving like this, if we say that rolling is equal to rotation plus translation. So when we talk about rolling, this should be equal to, we add everything, and then V will be equal to 2Vcom here, and then this will be equal to Vcom here, and this will be equal to, V is equal to Vcom minus Vcom is equal to 0. Right? So the bottom point behaves like it's stationary. ठीक है? So these are the concepts that we studied in these chapters, and you can see if you open your book, right? You will see that in the figure 11.5 there is a photograph of the wheel which is rotating, and in this case it's a rolling bicycle wheel, so it's the same wheel. Now in this case, what do you notice in this picture? Why do you think we have this picture? What is the information we are getting from this picture? Who can explain this picture? It's a photograph. We're snapping photographs all the time, so you do understand a little bit about dog food, right? So what do you understand from this? Yes? इस फोटोग्राफ में क्या नजर आ रहा है? Who can are you preparing for your final exams? Okay, so please put your masks on your nose and press the pin so that it stays there, okay? Right. So, what do you see in photograph in figure 11.5 on the next page? Who can explain this photograph? Open it. You do have the book, at least you have the soft one if you don't have the hard one, right? What do you notice? So, I leave this question with you. And I would like to discuss the question that was asked about the clown, that I gave you for the quiz, right? So in that case, the question was that the velocity of the top of the wheel, if the diameter of the rear wheel and the front wheel is different, let's say the diameter of the rear wheel or the back wheel is double the diameter of the front wheel, then what will be the velocity in the top point of the two wheels when you're riding this bike? So what do you think the answer would be?
Mostly same way.
Same रहेगी क्यों?
मैम क्योंकि लीनियर वेलोसिटी लीनियर स्पीड पूछी हुई है।
हाँ,
लीनियर स्पीड तो रिजिड बॉडी में सेम रहती है।
बिल्कुल ठीक है। What is rigid body? जाहिर है कि वो ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता कि one wheel is going faster and the other one is going slower. रोटेशन में हो सकता है, लेकिन ट्रांसलेशन में नहीं हो सकता। तो लीनियर की जब बात कर रहे हैं तो इट्स द लीनियर वेलोसिटी, द ट्रांसलेशनल वेलोसिटी। तो फिर तो वो साइकिल टूट जाएगा अगर एक व्हील तेज जा रहा है और एक आहिस्ता जा रहा है, राइट? इट विल नॉट बी अ रिजिड बॉडी एनीमोर, राइट? सो देयरफॉर दे आर द सेम। सो इज इट ओके नाउ? डज दैट आंसर द प्रॉब्लम यू आस्क्ड लास्ट टाइम?
यस मैम, यही आपने सेम बताया, लेकिन जो
उसमें गलत किया हुआ है। ठीक है, आई विल करेक्ट दैट्स इट। ठीक है, बस ठीक है, दिस इशू इज रिजॉल्व्ड। So I'm not able to communicate with this director one. Okay, what are the other concepts in this chapter? Since we are revising, let's talk a little bit about the final. Are you recording?
yes ma'am.
Okay, so let me talk about the final since some people seem to be confused. We have it here. That's beautiful. Okay, so I would like you. Okay, I can clean this. Did anyone take a snapshot? No.